Fasting triggers a series of physiological and biochemical changes in the body, impacting metabolism, cellular repair, and overall health. Studies have shown that fasting may promote autophagy, a process where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones. Preliminary research indicates that fasting might support brain health by enhancing cognitive functions and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It can improve blood pressure, resting heart rate, and other cardiovascular health markers. When you fast, your body shifts from using glucose as its primary fuel to burning fat for energy, which leads to weight loss. Studies suggest fasting reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, slowing down aging at a cellular level. It has been linked to longer lifespans by improving stress resistance and reducing age-related diseases. Ramadan fasting is a religious practice observed by Muslims during the month of Ramadan. It involves abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs from dawn to sunset. It follows a fixed schedule and has spiritual significance, promoting self-discipline, gratitude, and reflection. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and is considered an act of worship. It encourages charity, family bonding, and empathy for the less fortunate.